You came here for the dream. Paradise. Freedom. A new life. But no one told you what happens when you live under UV index 11 every day for years. This is John. Or Mike. Or you, in 5 years.
Hoje gastam $1 bilhão com mulheres. Mas, se eu gasto de último centavo com uma mulher, não significa nada. Eu vou gastar $1 milhão com mulheres. Mas, quando eu gasto um último centavo, todo o outro milhão de milhões que eu gastei, não vale nada. I could spend $1 billion in women. And when I get down to my last penny, I spend my last penny on one of them. None of the other billion that I spent matter.
Kung may pupuntang magbabalak ng mga foreigner na pumunta, ano may advice mo sa kanila?
Ano pong may advice ko? May advice ko po sa kanila, pag pumunta po sila dito, dapat there's limit.
Yeah.
Not only enjoy today and later sad.
Yeah.
You know?
Enjoy now, suffer later.
Yes.
Di ba?
There's a limit. Because sobrang saya, sige,
Yeah,
wasting money, and then later on, you didn't have money to pay tickets to going back to your country.
Yeah.
This is a walking street